We at Signia are thrilled to unveil our latest innovation, Signia Integrated Xperience. And we're going to demonstrate its groundbreaking, real-time conversation enhancement technology to you. You won't believe what it can do until you see it in action. Hearing group conversations in noise can be difficult for everyone, but can especially be difficult for those with hearing loss. This is why we developed Signia Integrated Xperience with real-time conversation enhancement. It's the world's first hearing aid with a multi-stream architecture capable of accurately pinpointing multiple speakers in real-time conversation, even as they move or as the wearer turns their head. With real-time conversation enhancement, you can clearly hear the conversation, no matter where it goes. If you can hear clearly, it means you don't ever miss out and can fully contribute to the conversation. Let me show you what I mean with a demonstration of how the device undertakes real-time conversation enhancement. Let's have a listen and take a look. Okay, so we have a mannequin set up wearing our brand new Signia Integrated Xperience hearing aids. We are recording the live hearing aid sound. We have 8 loudspeakers recreating the sound of a noisy restaurant. And my 2 lovely colleagues, Erin and Homayun, will be joining me today. Lastly, we have a tablet connected to the Signia Integrated Xperience hearing aids with a custom app to show visually what the hearing aids are doing, live. Okay, let's run it.
Right now, you are listening to the sound through a hearing aid with traditional processing. As you can hear, my speech is almost drowned out by the background noise. So now, Barinder, let's switch to Signia Integrated Xperience processing. And if I start talking here, you can see that the hearing aid immediately picks up my location and enhances my voice so you hear me clearly above the noise.
Yep, and now it immediately picks up my location to enhance my voice too. But people aren't always standing still, so you can see that even when I move, it stays locked on me and keeps my voice clear.
And it even picks me up when I talk from behind.
And it can track multiple speakers who are talking at the same time.
Thanks, guys. But it's not just conversation partners who sometimes move. We also naturally turn our heads during conversations. Let's switch to another mode in the app to demonstrate how Signia Integrated Xperience handles this.
As you'll see, when Homayun turns the head, the hearing aids recognize that the direction of my speech is changing, and they stay locked onto my voice, ensuring it stays clear.
Okay, let's talk about how it works.
Sure. Real-time conversation enhancement technology is constantly analyzing up to 192,000 data points per second, detecting speech from one or more talkers, mapping its direction and the conversation dynamics.
It then enhances each individual speaker, updated 1,000 times a second, so you never miss out.
That's right. And all of this happens in partnership with our unique dual processor technology, Augmented Focus.
This helps ensure that speech is prominent while making the environment feel dynamic and immersive.
Hey, thanks so much, guys. Let's wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the demo. This is just one of our technologies designed to help you hear better and actively participate in life with confidence. There are many more. At Signia, we believe in the power of conversation, and we are excited for you to discover the unique benefits of Signia Integrated Xperience with real-time conversation enhancement.